The main root cause behind your relationship is not your fault. You didn't have the training. You don't know what to do about this energy. There are two skills to master in this process. Conflict is something that you haven't yet learned how to do, and not individuating from our family system is the real problem that's blocking you from a secure relationship. And talking about it to a therapist can be helpful to unload, but what outcomes? How do you know it's working? What are the outcomes? People are like, is this gonna work for me? I'm like, define work. Here's what I define as it working. I'm sovereign. I'm no longer externally governed. And I have agency. I can choose. Sovereignty, agency, meaning I can choose. I'm not a victim to my circumstances. I can choose my outcome. And I have built capacity to be able to be and sit with my uncomfortable emotions, and to be able to sit with your uncomfortable emotions without losing touch with myself. Sovereignty, agency, capacity, and resilience. That's all I offer. Aside from that, you determine what working means for you. Does that mean you're able to be in a secure relationship where you weren't before? Does it mean you're able to set boundaries where you would just remain silent and just hold it in? Gentlemen, does it mean that you're now able to help redirect your wife when she's being disrespectful in a loving way, instead of losing your shit on her? So this is the beauty of this. You tell me what working for you looks like, and I will help you reverse engineer that. Because what working for you is different than working for somebody else, right? Some of you are like in a deep, dark depression, and you want to actually feel safe in your own skin. Okay, great. That we can help you with if you're willing to do the work. Is it going to happen overnight? No. Is it going to be done by Nima, your rescuer? No, you're the rescuer.